Okay, now let's talk about the parliament. Now, Ghana parliament is like a Ghana chieftaincy. The olden days, Ghana chieftaincy, no, na abusia pani biya search for ne this year, and oma no say oye nana. Nti yede ne ba, ye be na amamre, ema ne hu how he will react to his people. Nti o man as a chieftaincy, no, ebe twemu, and a cause the wa wo ska then you can be a chief, whether you belong to the family or not. This is what is going on in our parliament. Parliament, before the parliament was a better parliament and the parliamentarians. Now, if you have money, they vote for you. When you go there, you just sit down and make yeah. So there is no sense in it. Akobia, as a minister of gender, yede adiyama se koko hwem na bra. You be so asoma na ujina, na you are just laughing. And you disgrace mine. So I think that okay, in a democracy, we will fight a lot. Now where we are is just a beginning. So when people are talking, hey Ghana, after the independence, we are 60-something years. We have never. When you are in outside, some people have been spending 700 years before they reach where they are. Like when you were asking the people something about Canada, how do they react about the Trump tariff and all these things? They said they are all unite. Now you can't compare Ghana to Canada. We are big far, big difference. Even come on Portugal, you can't compare Ghana to Portugal. Or even Serbia, this Balkan. You can't compare us to us because we are far away. And the only thing that can bring us forward is education. Look at our parliamentarians. A bit boom. But they are just there for V8. They are just there so and honorable. Which is on to me go cancer and papa beer and fat then personal snow one. NDC, the way they came to power, this is the way they are going to rule the country. Because almost the enthrone and I bet your mind. Sami Jamfi, na no kati so bosumba. And now in your position, say, he's searching for the way he can steal money. Now, Sami Jamfi was a boy for Ibrahim Mahama before he entered the NDC. And it's hard to know they say Sami Jamfi the backbone is going to be Ibrahim Mahama because he is in that deal. And they are going to work through that. All the Ghana gold will pass through Ibrahim Mahama. They want to reach themselves before they get out from the politics. But it's very sad because we the Ghanaians, ordinary Ghanaians, we are going to suffer. And when you look at what is going on now, look at now Mahama, I think he has been blocked. The loan of brands and when and he obeyed the Yesikan Sam Yen and watch because maybe Obeko be alone or the instructions to on to me because they know his work before. And he also a bullying, yen of a bullying more. Yen your best in Ghana.
Oh, use a Pacho step by step, please. Nana, go on.
In Ghana, it's going to be hard for us. And the chiefs no more about parliament because of Zeneto. No. I said, no more cano. Ghana, when you are talking, you always brutalize it. What kind of bravo was a daughter of murder? What do you mean? Because, oh, we didn't Iba. Ne papa ye, oh, we didn't and the baron. So it's not going to wipe away. Or no cry, it will still continue. I bet and Sana, I wipe away just the end of because me, I was there. That time I was 17 years when JJ came to power. And I know many things. I know that I know they know them. I know you're training about one. You can't ask much. You didn't know what to flow a bush of Boga as a Mr. More idea, some little to Namunya D. Yakanaye. Now, one person widener. Yes, you have a widener mom. You should be right. You. Near minimum, met me a couple one no. Parliament city, I say, and Tebia, year two. Obi a the open. But we hope, sir, mature people will come there.
Yo, Midasi Nana One. Thank you so much for the education. All right, user 8. Good morning from this side.
Morning, the voice. I hope everything is fine. I'm sorry, I just wanted to now come me add what Nana initially was saying to me join and I'm very sorry for just interrupting.
No problem.
Okay. First and foremost, parliamentarians the two about we are share list of parliamentarians from the majority side no. The one who say we have a group of we have a parliament of useless people. About 70 to 80% don't deserve there. We have people like A+ ni gender minister. And then Yamiadu man kababa sadek ne be bright we so can wanko. So what do you expect? What do you really expect? No intellectual discourse, nothing. And a course of parliament. So I'm not even surprised. What I will add up here, Sami Jenfi issue no second. We saw Sami Jenfi before and after the elections. He's the same Sami Jenfi we knew years back. As Sami Jenfi who will always come up with lies, deceptions, just to tarnish the image of MPP. So what is going on now? No. I'm not really surprised about Sami Jenfi issues. What he's doing there. I've said this about 3 or 4 times on your program, sir. Communication. About 40% of your election defeat came as a result of our inability to communicate what the party was doing or what the government was doing. MPP did a lot of things, but we failed in that sector. We failed in that portion of communication. We couldn't communicate whatever we were doing. In Tiaba opposition, we should put our house in order. Those people who are responsible for our communication, we should sit down them, train them. Sooner by, I was expecting 1 or 2 ministers to come up or to hold a press conference to rubbish what JM say, I was hoping to see 1 or 2 ministers, former ministers, to come as a just to come.
I said they have done that. You had our own State of the Nation address.
Okay. Yeah. If they have done that, they're good.
Yeah,
but I expect
yesterday. It was done yesterday.
But I expect more of such press conference to follow up, because let me be honest with you, Ghana the education nipa Ghana your education level na so high say okasemba kwana to bi trima no. We saw what a Blackwa did on Facebook.
Yeah.
Lies.
So these are excerpts from the from ours.
Okay. So we saw a lot of these things. A black no be put lies. Na nkofo ekita no modenam. Sami Jenfi be din tro na nkofo kita. A whole lot of these things went on. Into MPP, what we have to do now is to make sure our communication is top notch. To say the near Nanakan, Secondly, sacking of employees. I've said it countless times. MPP should learn from this. MPP will power 8 years now. NDC for positions we are in. So we should learn from what they are doing. We should value our own. People like Okatechi, I'm sorry to use his name here.
Oh, why?
He defended the party through thick and thin. In MPP, 8 years in government, without any political appointment, he defended the good deeds of MPP. He defended the bad sins of MPP. But he will need any appointment. That's time to be corrected. But NDC by what have we seen? So MPP should learn from it. I'm not saying but at least they should learn from what they are doing, and we should value our own.
Right. Thank you so much.